Alright, we got a swarm of bees up here. See them up there? This is probably a secondary swarm. They came out of the tree that's behind us. If you guys watched the video that we had of getting the swarm off the swing set, that was right here. So I'm not sure what's happening exactly, but I really believe this is a secondary swarm with a virgin queen, an unmated queen. I'm going to spray them with this sugar syrup. It's a little bit of sugar in here with water. Really just need water to wet their wings, and that will keep them from flying, those outside bees, and they should drop right into my box. They should, but we never know what's going to happen. There's nothing prettier in beekeeping than a swarm of bees like that. It's a beautiful sight. That is cool. Look at that. That is so awesome. If you see the queen, let me know. Or a virgin queen would be a smaller than a mated queen. When I do 1, 2, 3 shake. Two, three, shake. Oh no, I didn't shake the whole thing. It didn't. There's about 3 or 4 branches coming together, so when I shook a branch, it didn't shake the whole swarm. So now we're gonna let them regroup, and I'll go up there with something else, and we'll get the rest of them. But, all right, thanks.